Hazrat Umar bin Abdul Aziz wrote to Abu Bakr bin Hazm, write down all the ahadith of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam which you have, as I am scared that religious knowledge will be withdrawn and the religious scholars will pass away, and do not accept anything save the hadith of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Promote knowledge and sit in the company of learned people till you know those things which you do not know, for knowledge does not perish until and unless it is made a secret. Hazrat Abdullah bin Dinar rahmatullah alayh has narrated the aforementioned letter of Hazrat Umar bin Abdul Aziz up to the religious scholars will pass away. Hazrat Abdullah bin Amr bin Alas radiyallahu anhu has reported that he heard Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam saying, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will not take the knowledge away suddenly by taking it away from the people, but He Jalla Jalaluhu will withdraw knowledge by awarding death to the learned till when there remains no scholar. The people will take the ignorant ones as their leaders. They will be consulted for different problems, so they will give verdict without knowledge. Hence, they will go astray and lead the others astray. Firabri said, Abbas Qutayba Jarir has reported from Hisham a hadith like this hadith. Sahih Bukhari, hadith number 100.